Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tortoise TTS. First, ensure you have Python and pip installed on your system, as these are crucial for managing dependencies. Next, clone the Tortoise TTS repository from GitHub to your local machine. Finally, navigate into the clone directory and install all required libraries using the provided requirements file. This sets up your environment for generating speech. Before generating speech, it's important to prepare your audio input correctly. Make sure your audio files are in a supported format, such as WAV. For optimal performance, keep your audio clips relatively short, ideally under 10 seconds. Always strive to use clear, high-quality audio, as this significantly impacts the realism and clarity of the generated voice. Good input leads to great output. Now, let's generate some speech. You'll run the generation script directly from your terminal. When executing the script, you need to specify the exact text you wish to convert into spoken words. Crucially, you'll also provide an audio sample. This sample acts as the voice reference, allowing Tortoise TTS to mimic its unique characteristics and speaking style for your new audio. To get the best results, experiment with various voice samples to achieve diverse outputs and styles. You can also adjust parameters, such as voice temperature, to fine-tune the expressiveness and uniqueness of the generated speech. Always take time to review the audio produced and don't hesitate to refine your input text or settings. This iterative process helps you achieve truly impressive voice generation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.